Okay, these are the two canvases I got from Diamond Art Club through QVC here on TikTok Shop. You get two colorful ocean waves, ocean whisper path, and everybody shows you, hey, this is what you get. This is your tray, your pen, your wax, but nobody ever shows you the finished product. And here it is. Look how beautiful that is. And you get two when you order these. And I think this set is sold out, but there's one more still available. And I think it's like 35 bucks plus like $4 shipping, which isn't bad. And it's from Diamond Art Club, the best place to get your canvases from. It's in my showcase.